Watch as a man and his loyal dog embark on an incredible journey, building a bear-shaped shelter deep in the forest. What you're about to witness is truly extraordinary. A wilderness sanctuary built entirely by hand, shaped like a forest guardian. The construction takes 15 days of dedicated work. But here's what makes it remarkable. After completion, he calls this place home for 68 days, fully immersed in the wild. He begins with large branches constructing a complex framework. Each piece is carefully positioned. Nothing is random. Thick trunk segments form the vertical supports, while thinner branches weave them together into a unified structure. Layer by layer, he covers the skeleton with smaller branches. The bear's form emerges, a curved spine, broad shoulders taking shape before our eyes. This is more than shelter. The bear symbolizes strength, patience, and protection in the wild. By choosing this design, he's channeling the very spirit of the forest itself. As darkness falls and the forest grows quiet, the day's labor comes to an end. Time to rest. The bear's silhouette now stands out clearly, its arched back, angled head, and strong, grounded legs forming a lifelike shape. Each curve and contour adds to the realism, making the creature appear as if it's emerging naturally from the forest floor. With a light, playful energy, Ramiz shapes the bear's face, carving in gentle curves that give the creature a warm and lively personality. Look closely at the iron wire holding the branches together. Every twist is placed with care. Whenever small wire pieces fall to the ground, Ramiz uses a magnet to gather them, a simple yet meaningful gesture that reflects his deep respect for nature and his commitment to leaving the land exactly as he found it. Now the real transformation begins. He digs deep into the earth, reshaping the land with careful precision, then redirects a nearby stream to soak the freshly exposed soil. Gathering tall grasses from the area, he blends them into the mud. These natural fibers strengthen the mixture, turning it into a durable, nature-made concrete perfect for building. Handful by handful, he presses the muddy mixture onto the wooden frame, allowing it to seep deep between the branches and seal every tiny gap. Under the steady warmth of the sun, the coating begins to harden, giving the structure strength and shape. What once looked like simple wood and mud now starts to resemble a creature emerging from the earth itself. With calm, patient movements, he builds layer after layer, blending soil, water, and grass into a natural skin that slowly forms the bear's rugged surface. Next, he focuses on the interior floor. Cutting uniform pieces of wood, he fits each one carefully into place, creating a smooth and sturdy base. Inside, the shelter slowly transforms into a comfortable living space. He builds a bed from split logs, then crafts a simple table and chair, giving the structure both purpose and warmth. The final essential element is the hearth. This fire won't just provide warmth and cooking heat, it carries a deeper meaning. As the flames rise, they become the first breath that brings the shelter to life, turning the quiet space into a place of comfort, warmth, and human presence. Smoke rises from the newly lit hearth, drifting upward through the bear's nose, as if the creature itself has come alive and is gently breathing. As night falls, darkness spreads across the forest, and everything grows calm and silent, leaving the shelter glowing softly in the quiet wilderness. Venturing deeper into the woods, he carefully sets a trap near a rabbit burrow, knowing that survival here demands patience, awareness, and skill. In the wild, every creature has its place, prey and hunter, each fulfilling a role in the timeless cycle that keeps nature in balance. True harmony comes not from conquering nature, but from becoming a part of it. This bear shelter stands as a testament to patience, craftsmanship, and the deep bond between humans and the wild.